Model, 64-plate Volkswagen Crafter Sprinter County Route 35 long wheelbase, 2.0 TDI 109 PS high-top van bargain open-mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 139,000. MOT, 10 February 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 109 PSE. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, pulls in all gears. Ticks all boxes and ready to get back on the road to work. Check mark. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,850. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199997.